Too old to start over? Here's the truth. If you're over 50 and feeling stuck, if you're quietly panicking about money and wondering if you missed your chance at financial freedom, I get it. Because that was me not long ago. I was 50 years old, living on my daughter's couch. I had no savings, no plan, and no clue how I'd ever dig myself out. I felt embarrassed. I was ashamed and completely lost. I had worked my whole life. So how did I end up here? Every night I'd lie awake in that quiet panic. Was I too old to start over? Too far behind to catch up? Too exhausted to pretend everything was okay? I tried side hustles. I bought the guaranteed courses. I followed the gurus. And every time I ended up feeling more defeated, more frustrated, and more convinced maybe I just wasn't cut out for this. But even then, deep down, I was not ready to give up. And thank God I didn't, because one day something clicked. My age wasn't the problem. It was my superpower. I had experience, I had resilience, and I had wisdom that only comes from living real life. And what I needed wasn't another hype-filled, tech-heavy program. I needed a clear, proven system, one designed for midlifers like me. That's when I found the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's a step-by-step system for people in their 40s, 50s, and 60s. People starting over with real responsibilities and no time or energy to waste. The system has no complicated funnels, no tech overwhelm, just 2 focus hours a day and a path to sell digital products without building them from scratch. For once, someone had actually created a system for us. Now, I'll be real with you. I'm still at the beginning of my journey. I haven't made big money. I don't have a huge following, but I am making progress. Strangers are starting to ask me for my link. People are messaging me to say thank you for showing up. And I've seen what's possible. In this community, there are people over 50 making sales, building income, and finally sleeping peacefully again. That's what's keeping me going, because with every post and every share and every small step, I'm building something real, something I can be proud of, something I can pass down. So if you're scared to start, I get it, but you don't have to know it all. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start, because this system, it meets you exactly where you are. And if you're ready to stop believing the myth that you missed your chance, comment ready right now, and I'll send you the exact blueprint I'm using to rewrite my story. Your best chapter isn't behind you. It's just getting started.